bring the forklift over here. We need to load this truck fast. Watch out, coming through. All right, back it up slow, keep coming. Little more, hold it right there, you're good.
Clear the dock, I'm bringing this in. Look, they finally have the watermelon juice back in stock.
Cheers to the perfect day.
It tastes like summer.
Cheers, everyone. This juice is delicious.
So refreshing. Happy Sunday.
I love it.
Discover the perfect summer refresh with our new organic watermelon juice, freshly harvested and ready to enjoy.
We oversee every step, ensuring that the freshness of the farm makes it directly to your glass.